This video will cover the installation of macOS 10.14 Mojave onto a Mac Pro 5.1. This can be completed in an afternoon. This installation is under the condition that a new hard drive with no operating system has been installed into the computer, and that the GPU you are planning to use with Mojave is not flashed, thus resulting in no boot screen. For this example, I am using a Samsung Evo 1TB SSD connected to a Sonnet board and placed into a PCIe lane, as well as an AMD Radeon 5870 and a Radeon RX 580. In the description for this video, you will find a link where you can download every recent Mac OS. On a separate computer, download macOS 10.13 High Sierra. Once installed, insert your new SD card into your computer and open Terminal. Type or copy and paste the code in the description and press Enter. Before starting the operating system installation on your Mac Pro, install a genuine or flashed Apple-compatible GPU, such as this Radeon 5870, so that your boot screen is visible. To boot from your SD card, insert the SD into a USB terminal via an adapter. Press the power button and hold the Option key. Now, for some reason, I could only boot my SD card via this compact Insignia adapter. My larger Kensington, Lexar, and Insignia USB hubs would not work for this process. Once the computer boots, open Disk Utility. Go to View and select Show All Devices. Select and erase the parent folder containing your hard drive, renaming it as desired and formatting it for macOS Extended and schemed for Guide Partition Map. Once complete, exit Disk Utility and open the installer. Select your recently erased hard drive and begin the installation. Once complete, set up the new OS and then shut down. Remove the older GPU and install a metal-capable GPU such as this Sapphire Plus. You will not be able to install Mojave without a metal-capable GPU. With your new metal-compatible GPU installed, boot your Mac Pro and download macOS 10.14 Mojave. Once complete, open the download and begin the installation process. Depending on your Mac Pro's motherboard, you might be prompted to download additional firmware. And after that, you're all done. Enjoy your Mac Pro 5.1.